What's up? Welcome. Today is the second day of my trip. I was just on the bus, it seems I'm in some Chinese area. Everybody is Chinese. I managed to get to the BART, that's like underground railway. Somehow bought the ticket, got the plan, and I'm heading down to the, how do you call those stairs? Elevator stairs? I don't know, I forgot. And I'm going to the, let's see, I'm gonna wait for a train which is gonna go on the left side, and when it's gonna come I don't know, but look at this. I know that I can't pass this yellow line, so it looks like this. I'm gonna wait for a train to come here, and I'm the only one. There's one guy far away, one girl which is coming to me. Maybe she's gonna attack me, It doesn't matter. You can see that I'm gonna just wait for the train. The map, and I believe I'm somewhere here, somewhere like South San Francisco here, and I gotta get to the Embarcadero here. I don't want to go to the Oakland. Here are like bad things happening, so it's gonna be a travel. Here it comes, the train, the night train. You can feel the wind going, towards you, because he is pushing it. Holy shit, even in tunnels there's the wind. Woo! Hell yeah! Woo! Let's go in. There's a lot of people inside. Just got out of the train, and let's go out on the surface. We're getting out. Take ticket here. Thank you. And we're getting up. We gotta go up. And fisherman, draw bay, whatever, I don't know. We're getting up, so I'm gonna walk until there. There's a cab which is $2, but man, I'm young. I'm young. I can walk. If you're American, go here. If you're European, you go here. Man, I gained so much weight here, so when I come back to Europe, it's gonna be, hell of the dream to get all the fat down. Okay, we are out, and we are in San Francisco City, guys. Ooh. San Francisco City, here I come. I believe I gotta go, I don't know, I'm just gonna go here. Walking in San Francisco. I forgot the name, Carne Barbera, I don't know. I gotta find something to eat. I'm so hungry. Yesterday I ate, before I went to sleep, a goddamn burger which was like really bad. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. They say go eat In-N-Out burger, and whatever, man. Look what burgers did to me. Shit. But I don't care. In USA I can get fat. In Europe I'm gonna get back in my shape, because I'm starting to work out. I got a bus. Say San Francisco is a gay city, and that's true, because I'm here like for 15 seconds, and we actually see that this is normal here. Oh, this is a cab, yeah. This cab looks awesome. As long as they don't touch me, I'm out of here. Just checked to take a bike rental, I was like, okay, why wouldn't I take a bike? And you gotta give like $40 for a day. I'm like, hell no. We got Subway here, maybe we should go eat to Subway. Or should I go to Taco Bell, or should I go to the In-N-Out? I ate at Subway, so I know Subway. I don't know. Pier 1, I believe they said Pier 1. And I got to get to the Pier 39. What the pier even means, I don't know, but they say you gotta walk like a half an hour to get to that fisherman's dwarf, something like that, you know. So I'm just gonna walk. Doesn't matter. There's some bunch of rocks. It's kind of like artists. Of course, we got some skyscrapers like it's America. Normal. It's kind of normal for me, you know, because I was in Chicago. So better to walk there. So the pier is right here, and I saw these awesome palmas, which look great. I'm just gonna walk to there. Yeah. Another side pier. What is pier? Pier is like where the ships come, or where I believe ships. Yeah, I don't know. Or the train. It would be a train station. Gotta Google it a little bit. But look, this is beautiful. The palmas, I noticed there's a lot of bumps, like they said, and they're just lying down the palmas, you know, under the palmas, sleeping. Some of them are dancing. They're on the benches. They're everywhere. You know, Big D Hercules was right. I'm gonna meet a lot of bumps. So next to the pier, people enjoying the music. A lot of people, everything's happening, and we got sea. We see the sea. We see the sea. Just entered the place, you know, that pier, and it seems there's a marketplace. People are eating, there's something to eat. Maybe I should try something. We don't know. Looks like this. Better find something good to eat. People said everything is so expensive, man. I'm like, wow, $6, $7, $8, $10 for a sandwich. I'm out of here. See ya, you ain't getting my money. Walking, and I'm gonna walk for a long time. I just don't wanna miss the heart. I mean, the beat of the city, driving all the time. I gotta continue. This is a skateboarding trailer. Have you ever seen something like similar like this? I didn't. So I'm still walking to the pier 33, I believe. It'll be a long walk. Got some beautiful music here, and holy shit, that's a boat. I mean a ship. Holy shit, that's a ship. Let's go, still on the trip. You enter the boat and go to the Alcatraz, but the problem is that you can't get tickets because they're all gone for like weeks in front. So I will not see the Alcatraz, but I will see the goddamn model of Alcatraz, which is something, but fuck it. Let's go. So this is actually a model of Alcatraz. The hotel with 5 stars. As you can feel and see and hear, the wind is again strong. Let's go other side. Rex Apartments. So yeah, I believe the guards were living in the houses. You know, the dock. This is where they docked you, and you were doomed for eternal. Our house. So many people there. Military school house. Exchange. So this is Alcatraz. Oh my god, that was terrible. Can you imagine that you were here and you had to run away? I can't. This is very dark. Can you go? Oh my god, look at that cannon. This land is my land. Got some big cannon. Oh, Indians were occupying. So Indians said, nobody's gonna take my land. Finders keepers. What is on this side? Civil War soldiers. Security of San Francisco. So this was some kind of model showing some kind of war. I know something about it. another war. So yeah, if I go ask when can I board, they're gonna say next year. Next year. I don't want to board next year. I want to board now, bitch. Golden Gate recreation area. Look, they're all waiting to board on Alcatraz. So I'm just gonna say maybe next time. Next time. Next available tour September 27. Oh yeah, I'm coming September 27. Sayonara. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Yeah, biga, I'm stupid. I should reserve them before, but you know, you never know. You never know. I didn't pay so much attention about tickets, you know. Lighthouse keepers, National Park Service, and gardeners. Without them, this place won't look nice. So I'm going, guys, in the big boat, going to the Pier 39, I believe. There's a fisherman's wharf. Nice Chinese guy. Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy, nice music. You see? You always have to support people you like, and if they do something they like, and if you like it, you have to support. And sausages. Best hot dogs and sausages. How much are there? 8, 7, 6, hot dog, 5. Hey guys, what's the meat made of?
Beef.
Beef. Okay, it's beef. So give me some. What's the difference between hot dog and jumbo hot dog?
Good for you.
Huh?
Jumbo.
Jumbo, the biggest.
Yeah.
Okay,
Look,
the expensiest.
Oh,
Make
only
it for me.
A little bit. $7 only. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
$7. Make it.
Okay.
I'm gonna try your.
And the condiments of this side. Okay.
Take the 20.
Thank you.
Ketchup, mustard at the side.
Ketchup, mustard. Okay, we're gonna try it. They say it's the best, so don't disappoint me, please.
You want?
One,
I see this is a family business.
no.
No, Mama.
Our boss are Canadian. Thank you.
Thank you very much. See you later.
See you.
Bye bye. So as you can see, $7 for the small one. I mean for the jumbo. This one is the jumbo. Alright, let us try to put the jumbo. How can I do that with one hand? I don't know, man. Maybe like. Oh, it goes. Look at this. It's like shitting on it. Okay, and changing. So let's go see if it's gonna work. A little bit gotta put down. Oh my god, I missed it. No! Shit! They're gonna kill me. I managed to put some things on the hot dog. But I thought I'm gonna get some pickles or something, but doesn't matter. I'm here, I'm gonna try this. We're gonna see if this is any good. Not bad, but nothing special. But it's gonna fit my needs. I'm hungry. The bread is typical American. The sausage is good. So I'm a sausage eater in San Francisco. My jumbo hot dog, which was like not even a jumbo. It was really expensive, but doesn't matter. I'm in San Francisco. And as you can see far away up there, there's an Alcatraz. That's the jail. And I hear some seals. Yeah, seals. I was like sails. And on the other side, I believe the best view is from there. But there's so many tourists there. I want to know what's happening there. Something. Oh my god, look at them. Look at those lazy bumps. This the first time I see seals in the wildness. Šta je? Ležiš ko neki tjulan se razvalio. They're here like, you know, they're tourist attractions. They're waiting for food, I believe. Let's go see the Alcatraz. Close, and if I'm not gonna get on Alcatraz, at least I'm gonna see him from far distance. Maybe I should swim out there, huh? If those inmates could swim here, why wouldn't I? Security. This guy secures the money. It's windy like always, as you can see. And there's a ship. That's I believe that's a museum. So this is Alcatraz. All is recorded with phone, so sorry for bad postage. There was the help. And all the tickets which we bring there, the ferries, all tickets are gone, so you can't even go there, you know. 5 months, I don't want to even go there. I would go there, but you know, they said if you go in the morning, 5 in the morning, because every day they have like 50 tickets for people, and if you go and stay in the line in the morning, you can get only one per person. But the problem is that people start, you know, standing in lines even in 3 in the morning. So I don't wanna stand for one ticket, you know, middle of the night. No way, bro, man, no way. And you can again be disappointed. Again, you can see the gate, the Golden Gate, which I was yesterday. If you didn't see it, go log behind. I mean before. So yesterday I was shooting, making vlog from there, and I'm making vlog from here. And it's beautiful. It's windy, it's cold. But again, this is San Francisco. Street fight. The winner takes them all.
Gerald.
Hadouken. Developed. See, because it's always windy, he has a protection round. Usually people, when they do that in our country or around, they don't need that protection. Nice artwork. And of course we got Alcatraz down there. Again, continuing the journey. Gotta go to the Fisherman's Wharf. I believe it's up there somewhere. I don't know. Still going, still searching. We got some awesome music here, some artists. There's so many artists here. They're doing their thing. Gotta go to check out that big boat. Pigeons everywhere. As you can see, this is a map where I'm currently at. I came from here, I believe from here somewhere, or somewhere here. I walked this, I'm here, Fisherman's Wharf here, then I gotta go to the Chinatown. I gotta find Japantown. This is all San Francisco. How's the Golden Gate? Alcatraz is close, you see, I was here. So we're gonna have to walk a little bit more. At home of World War II museum vessels, explorer submarine and Liberty ship. So there's a Liberty ship. Let me check out how much is it. Oh, there's a carrier ship. And there's a Fisherman Grotto, I believe that's Fisherman Wharf. But I'm gonna go first check out that ship. See how much is ticket. This is a torpedo. Holy shit. To the crews of the 52 United States submarines who sacrificed their lives in World War II. So this is a memorial of the submarine who died. Shit, that was a terrible death. So this is it, guys. The ship Jeremiah O'Brien. It's a military ship, I believe, from Second World War. It's a museum, and it's big as hell. I believe they don't have guns on it, or do they? 20 bucks to enter. I don't have time, not even the money. Maybe in the next life. But it's interesting. Let's go. We restored her 79. And yes, she is World War II ship. And it's fucking big. I'm kinda sad that I'm not gonna go up there, but fuck it, you know, maybe I could smuggle myself. You know, maybe. We're gonna try to do that Bosnian way. Smuggling time. They're gonna kick me out and put me in jail. No, bye. Something interesting. Rosie the Riveter built me. Rosie the Riveter became a role model of a generation of women. Never again to be overlooked as a major workforce, women became the hidden asset of the US war effort. Walked the decks that were created by Rosie and others. So yeah, I know this pin-up girl. Liberty ships born in World War II. So that was a Liberty ship, by the way. I'm going. That's historic Pier 45, and I'm getting to the arcade cabinets, the old school, which is something for me. And this shit is like old. So this is way before my time. So those are the old school arcades, guys. Shit. We got some puppets here. Oh no, let's go. No problem. Hyperball. Hyper. We got a hyperball here. Maybe I should play some of them. I love this shit. This is mine. This is me, guys. I know they work, all of them, but there's so many of them, man. It's kind of like a museum of the old arcades cabinets. Holy shit, I didn't know that existed before. So you can get money and just play. Maybe, this is my area, guys. See, people still play this game. Oh, that's what I like. So I was born in this area, guys. Oh man, look at this. Awesome. Yeah, I used to play this game. Star Wars. Hadouken! The guy knows what he has to play. Get him, Ryu. The guy knows what's he playing. See, Street Fighter popular everywhere. Hadouken! Oh, he plays Ryu. Hadouken! Damn it! Hadouken! So let's go. Space Invaders, guys. Holy shit, that's so old. Oh my god, man. Look, this is heaven, guys. Time Crisis. I used to play this game when I was a kid on PlayStation 1. Like shooting. Oh my god. This is heaven. People still play the Galaxian, Neo Geo. This thing is alive here. Look at this. Of course, Metal Slug, the legendary game. Junkyard. Oh my god. We got bowling here. I remember Raiden. Sunset Riders. I used to play this one when I was a kid. This one is awesome. 4 players can play this one. Old school shit. I love it, man. I love it, man.
Here, while we get off the table, okay?
Metal Slug 6. I play Metal Slug 1 and 2. We can play a boulder shot. Oh my god. Those are the old school games. Oh my. I never seen these machines. I didn't even know that they exist. This is kind of like museum. The marathon bicycle race. Gypsy Queen. She can blow you if you want. I don't know if they work, but they are really interesting. We got some balls. Stand close, relief start, inching feet, no electricity. Oh, you stand here, put money, he's a vitalizer. What the fuck? So there's a movie. Oh my god, I gotta try it, man. So press and hold hearts. So if you press it, you know what's happening. This is old, guys. This is like 50, 60 years old. This is like old school. Get the fuck out of here. Can't even see because... Wow. Mechanical horse. Wow. Couldn't he... He's like, you know... She spooked me. She looks real. The gold rush. You go... This is a museum, guys. No fucking way. They put the steam flat. They put the actual bike on steam. It works on steam. No diesel, no gasoline. Steam. Oh my god. Please be gentle with these machines. God damn it. What the fuck? Where is only the end of the trail? What the hell is she doing? Oh, that's a that's a... I thought she's farting. That's vibrator machine, guys. Holy shit, that's an old school vibrator. She's gonna come. What the fuck is this woman doing? Holy shit. This is an old school. What the fuck is this? Oh, like a head, you know? Oh my god, this is stupid. That's an old school, guys. Old school ship is coming. I love this, man. Museum. Welcome to Museum of Mechanique. It's the old school Museum of Mechanic games. Yeah, this is a Symbian. A Symbian. I've never seen this in my life. It's an awesome. Oh, electrifying. So you press them and they shock you. They shock you if you survive. And they see if you can survive. Wow. I love this, man. This museum is awesome. Awesome. Maybe I should go play some, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go play some, guys. I remember this when I saw it on Discovery Channel. You put quarter and you see the movies. Authentic Turn of Century Zelda to see an early form of animation. I'm gonna check it out, guys. I'm going and I'm gonna try to play some. You put coin inside, that happens. Oh my god. That's it. She's laughing style and she was making us laugh. I want to try how to go. I hope I have it. Put here inside. Press it. And she's laughing. That's what is happening. For age like from 40 to 70. So she makes your parents laugh. It's like that lady has made us smile in Terrified Chile for every 50 years. She's choking on it. Guys, I gotta introduce you, gotta show you some friends of mine which I just met, and this is Chris, he's from Greece.
Yeah.
And this is Rene from, originally from, they're all Americans, but he's Italian.
Italiano,
And you can-
Italiano.
and you can see him, you know, we got the same tan. This guy has to be in the middle. So we're gonna be like,
Whiteboard.
you see, the sandwich. So, I just met them in arcades, you know, there are games. And the guy was sitting on Symbian thing of, you know, Symbian machine. He was like, I watched him, I'm like, what the fuck, you know, San Francisco, you know, they like,
It's San Francisco.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of things.
they like to be, you know, how do you say, vibrated.
Vibrating.
And then when I checked him, I saw him that he's massaging his legs.
It was my legs.
Yeah, it was his legs, nothing else. So I said to him and we started talking, and then we were from like massaging Symbians and to squirting. And he said that he likes to squirt, I mean, he likes to make girls squirting, but he has a friend who doesn't like it, that's him. So he doesn't like to see girls squirt. so we had a talk, we hanged a little bit, and now we're gonna go for a drink.
Yeah.
And I don't drink alcohol, and he's angry, you know, because he knows when you are, you know, when you're drunk, he can, you know, get you down easily. But you know, you know, I'm still sober. I'm joking, just joking. We're gonna go hang a little bit with my new friends. So that's it. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Of course, those awesome guys, and this awesome guy, Chris, who doesn't want to be on camera. No, we are here getting some food. See, see, and we're enjoying the San Francisco. Behind it's a view, and what can I say? Bon appetit, guys. So guys, I'm back again. I just had an awesome lunch with my friends, new friends. You see, I was like maybe an hour alone in the city or 2 hours. I just got two friends. They were awesome, and we just shared contacts, so we're gonna be in touch. And I'm gonna go try to find Chinatown, which they say, you know, it's an awesome place to see. So let's go find it. So here I am on the road to Chinatown, trying to find the way. I asked some people where to go, so they said just go right and in front. So I'm at the Bush Street, and I hope I'm gonna find it as soon as I can. Just found a grocery. I bought myself a chocolate, which is kind of like a Bounty, but it has almonds inside. So the chocolate was only $1.25, which is kind of like €1, and doesn't hurt so much because, of course, I was on tourist interesting points and everything is so expensive there. But I'm still walking, trying to find China with an energy. As you can see, I'm in some skateboard park, California Republic. It's kind of like Shanucha Republic. They have a bear for a sign. I didn't know that. Got some skaters here. Every city has their own skaters. Let's go. Ah. Of course, without skyscraper, there's nothing. Big city, bro. Big city, bro. Let's go find that Chinatown. Those are cable cars. So you just hop in. Let's go hop in. Fuck it, fuck up. It's awesome.
Stop, thank you.
Oh, he's down
yeah,
there.
he wanted grand shake. You would not walk around.
I'm gonna try a little bit. Is this free?
$7.
Well, have to pay.
They're gonna walk right out to me. I'll hop on the next one about you.
I'm jumping now.
If you live here, it's on your monthly pass, which is free. It's $80 plus your credit. That's why I take it. It's only really take it every $7.
I'm a thirst. I don't know. I just
That's
jumped.
why $7 because people pay it.
No, I won't pay. Thank you very much. Right. Woo! $7, guys. And I have to go back again. But it was an awesome ride. Shit! I didn't even notice that I was on cable car. I asked a woman there, how much does it cost? I thought it's free. Nope, $7. But I was on cable car, so that's what counts. Got to go down to the Chinatown because I just passed. Okay guys, I'm going down the hill and I noticed that a lot of cute girls in, how do you call them, in those stretched pants. They're walking up the hill and they all have nice asses. Of course they're having nice asses if they're fucking walking on the hill. You know, there's like like a mile or 2 miles going down. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. There's where I came from with that cable car, and it goes down. So that's a hill, guys. And if you walk here every day, of course you have a nice ass. Here's some Chinatown. I mean Chinese thing in the church. I believe I gotta go there. Oh my god, I'm walking in the middle of the road, and yeah, that's a Chinatown. So I'm gonna head up here to see what's happening. So I am in the Chinatown. Look at this boy. Nice. Nice sculptures. Super sales. See, Kinesico Kinesi. They're everywhere, guys. Everywhere. I thought it's gonna be more people on the road, but it's not. Just a street with Chinese stores. Lots of things wanna buy. And they say it's a tourist attraction. So let's see what can we get here. A lot of fake things, you see. I don't know if they can sell fake things here. In America, Asian residents. In America, they can sell fake things. Chinatown, after taking a shit in one of their restaurants, which was like so filthy that you can't even believe it. And now I found an awesome house. Look at the stairs, man. Look at the facade. It's awesome. I believe I'm still in the Chinatown. Where to go? I don't know. Big house. I'm just gonna go somewhere. We're gonna see. A lot of the French tourists taking a picture of facade, which is masterpiece in my mind. To the Chinatown. I'm going to. I want to see the painted ladies, but I don't know. Look at Austin Civic, guys. Holy shit. But here's like in the Italian town, next to the Chinatown. Oh my god. This Civic look awesome. I love it. We got the Italian town here. There was a Chinatown. But this is Italian town, you see? And my Google is leading me to the Lombard Street. So we're gonna see what's happening there. This guy is doing, he's dancing with his feet on the rap music, and he's wearing a construction suit. Awesome. You can see everything here. Time has come that I'm walking on the hills of San Francisco with a full belly of I don't know what I even ate. I ate some rice and some chicken with a lot of cheese and everything, and then I ate some sweet pie. And with belly, I gotta lose this. I mean, the full belly going up, it's gonna be a sick of the task. I did it. I got up there. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists here. So this is the road, which is kind of like, see those cars? This is stupid. Why would people do that shit? But apparently it looks awesome. See the cars going up and down? I mean left and right. So this is like the Lombard Street or whatever. This is kind of like, I don't know how to call it. Interesting point for tourists. I'm gonna go for these stairs. Man, I ate so much. Even if I walk so much, never gonna lose some weight. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna show you how it looks from up there. But this is stupid, bro, man. Look at this. People are actually driving there to feel the experience of cars. You need S2000 for the cars, guys. Soon we're gonna get there. There are like 258 stairs to the top. As you can see, it's right popular. And I made it. Here goes my pizza. They say you can see it. Can you see it? I can't see it. Oh yeah. Now you can see it. You see on the left side is Alcatraz. So that's a Lombard Street. That's a street where, I don't know, it's stupid, but fuck it. Let's check it out. People are driving here actually. Hide faster, hide. Oh my god, American cars can't move. I know. So that's the point of this Lombard Street. Just a curved street in the middle of the all straight streets. Now, when we saw this, I believe it's the time to slowly go home because it's getting late. Sun is going down and I gotta find a train before the sunset goes down. See, so this is San Francisco, guys and girls. Still, I didn't come to the BART station and I just experienced something awesome. There was a fire truck and I was just speaking with a barber because my friend who's barber in Slovenia, Extreme Studio, said to me, didn't if you see any barbers, please go and ask them for some kind of stickers or whatever. But the guy didn't have any, so he gave me a business card. While I was talking with him, I noticed that the fire truck is coming, and you know, usually siren, woo, woo, woo. But when the fire truck came to the crossroad, holy shit, he, you know, pressed on a horn. I never heard in my life so loud horn. It was so loud. You know those air horns, like. I was like, what the hell is that? I thought it's an airstrike. And I asked the barber, what is that? Why is that horn so loud? And he said, you know, a lot of people have headphones, you know, a lot of people listen to loud music and they can't hear it. So that's why they have those loud air horns and people can actually hear and stop so they can't get run over. And I was like, holy shit, that's why. That was so loud, I was too late to film it. But I'm here to explain it. Nice. This kind is different. Finally, I'm on the ground again, and slowly I'm ending the second day in San Francisco. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and add me on Snapchat, Dinoti, and my gaming channel, Twitch. So tomorrow we're gonna make a new vlog. Bye.